Hey guys, carlyvoinski here, and we are going to talk about chocolate peanut butter fat bombs today. So fat bombs, I make these ones, they're no bake, and I usually will eat them if I need a little extra fat content for my day, or honestly if I've had dinner and I'm just craving something sweet. I will go to these chocolate peanut butter fat bombs. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. Super easy, super delicious, tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. And what's really cool too is I'm going to put the recipe in the description link so you can just copy it and make it for yourself, including what the macros break down into. Okay, so here's what we need. We need 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of grass-fed butter. I use Kerrygold Irish butter. 8 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now listen, this is where you can kind of go crazy. I get, ShopRite has the all-natural peanut butter. I think it's by the produce section or the deli section. They actually make it there at the store. So that's what I use. So you need 8 tablespoons of that. You need 6 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 6 packets of stevia. I actually have a box of just stevia in the raw, and they come in packet form. And I use 6 packets of those, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You can put some extra vanilla in if you like more, and 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. When you get all of this stuff together, remember you want your butter and your cream cheese and things to be whole fat, so you don't want anything low fat. Okay, so you're gonna mix them all together. Just put them all in a bowl, mix it all together, and you're going to microwave it. For this, I think I had to microwave it for about a minute, and I took it out, stirred it, put it back in, microwaved it again, just until everything is melted, and you'll stir it up really good. Once it is stirred up, what you're going to do is get a cupcake tin, line it with some cupcake sheets, and then you're just going to evenly distribute your mixture into your cupcake pan. So usually it's about 12 cupcakes in a pan, so you'll evenly distribute it against those 12. Then just pop it into the freezer, leave it there for at least about an hour. Then I take them out, and they're frozen at that point. I keep mine in the freezer. They don't kind of get melty or soft. I take them out of the cupcake pan, and I just kind of stack them all in Tupperware, and I keep them in the freezer until I need one. And there you go. You have your chocolate peanut butter fat bombs. They are delicious. The carbs break out to. Now, this is about, you're going to want it, if you're tracking all of your stuff, you're going to want to put it in your MyFitnessPal or your Carb Manager. I'm going to use the exact brands that you use. But for me, it breaks down to about net carbs of 2.6, about 3 carbs per fat bomb. Protein is low, about 3 grams of protein. And your fat is almost 15 grams of fat. So that's pretty great. Okay, so tell me how you guys like them, if you've done anything different to make them taste differently for you. I did try them one time with chunky peanut butter, and I've tried them without, and again, but now I'm using the natural, because if you use just regular name brand peanut butter, your sugar content can get pretty crazy. The recipe is down below, and let me know how you guys are doing with them. I'm glad to share it with you. John and I love them. The kids are always asking if they can have them, and we have to say no. So you might want to hide them if you've got kids. Just shove them in your freezer by the vegetables or something, okay? All right, so have fun making them.